We are Riley and Teresa, building a house with our young kids and the help with friends and family here and there. We strive to live a simple, healthy, debt-free life, and that's why we chose to build a straw bale house close to family on the farm I grew up on. In today's video, we are plastering the final coat of the interior of our house, gluing PVC on our drain and vent pipes, and we finished the weekend ice skating with the family. Follow along with us on our journey as we grow stronger as a family and build roots that will last a lifetime.
Magic! It is our last day of stuccoing on the inside of our house. We're really excited just to be done with this part of our project and we can finally just kind of move on. You ready? Yeah. We have our south wall here, the big long wall, and then the wall with the round window on it to do. It'll be probably just Riley and I today. The last time we did it took us about 9 straight hours of just plastering, and we also had Connor's help. We gotta get lime plaster mixed up. We're gonna just do one big batch and spray down our walls. Last night we went and cleaned everything up, cleaned our windows good, vacuumed them, got all the sand off of them. We taped just our windows around the outside, just kind of as a guide for the plaster. And we should be ready to go, huh? Okay. You say goodbye?
Goodbye.
How long do you think it'll take us?
Maybe it'll be only 4
hours?
I guess it'll be what it'll be. Let it be.
'This boy's a hard worker. He just got home from a 10-day vacation like 5 minutes ago and he's already up helping.
I forgot what he looked like.
We have like a really nice hot springs there, so that's why we stayed there. Hot.
3.5 hours and we're all done. We still need to float our walls and get everything kind of smoothed out.
Keep constantly spraying this down, washing it off as you're floating. When it comes to floating, timing is actually pretty critical. What I've noticed is when you can start seeing that your wall is actually drying, that's about the time to go back and just see if floating it will work or not. I think we keep making the mistake of keep trying to float it while it's just still a little too wet and just kind of pushing that sand around a little too much.
We did it.
Yeah, our walls are done inside. We're pretty excited. It's gonna feel so good to just have that done.
Yeah.
So good. And we can finally clean our floors good, get everything cleaned up, doors cleaned up.
Yeah.
It took us 3.5 hours to plaster, what, about 70 feet? We had help show up and that was really nice. Always
Yeah.
But it took like 2 hours and 15 minutes just for us to sit here and float it. And
Teresa did all
work
the
at it.
floating. Looking forward to moving on to some different projects. But before you know it, we'll be stuccoing again on the exterior.
We'll just be getting back to finishing our plumbing, getting everything glued together. We're gonna work on marking all our fittings where they belong so that way we know once it's time to glue them where to put them, and we're just gonna start gluing just a few together. We're switching out that sanitary tee that we're using as a vent going up. It's on its side, so it's not allowed. We're switching it with that long sweep 90 wide.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head from all those pretty words you said. It's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am. It's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste this.
Magic.
Follow you, yeah.
You like mine?
I'll follow you, yeah. Could you come a little closer?
I've been sitting here trying to find myself. I need to remind myself.
Beneath the stars, so let's get a little reckless.
Play back.
Okay, now let's go together.
And I won't waste it.
80 degrees.
And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my
We
mind.
got the tub drain all prime glued. Tub, toilet, and sink upstairs are done for the drains. Now we just need vents.
Faces. I'll follow you, yeah. Yeah, I won't waste this, 'cause no one makes me feel like you do. You make me reckless. Yeah, no one makes me feel like you do. I promise that I will stand by you forever, and I won't waste it.